Got a new hub. See if it fits. Oh, too tight. These darn brakes need to go backwards. Right. Oh yes, that'll do it. Now it is time to slip on the weird spacey thingy. Oh, that's not gonna do it. How does it go on? How do you go on? Slip in. There. One-handed and recording this is kind of got it. Stay. It's the wrong hole. Oh no. Significantly better. That'll actually stay on. Got a lug nut going in. Last one. Alright. Ridge. Oh, there it is. Alright. Lug nutted. Alright, well, I just got the lug nuts all tightened down, so let's go ahead and tighten down that castle. No torque wrench is required. Wow. It's nice and tight. Also, cotter pins. I wouldn't mind having one. We're wrenching over here. Don't worry about what's going on over here. We're just wrenching. Magic trick. Oh man, that feels off. Ow, slipped. That's how you do it, or. Oh, I got it. My wrench. This is the first time I've seen this lift lawnmower stand on its own front weight in a very long time. It's been sitting since February. Let's go ahead and get some back tires on there, and I say let's go rip. Carolina squat. Hey. Nah, I ain't about that. It's just, I got a V6, 3.8 liter V6 motor on the back of here. It's just a little heavy. Just a little heavy. Just pulling the back tires off the lift lawnmower off the front of the Honda. Healthy? Yummy. That side's also gone too. Oh boy. Yeah, that getting wheel bearings replaced in 2 to 3 days isn't working out. It's gonna be next week until the parts come in, hopefully. So hope I can get our wheel bearings changed. Oh, don't worry about that. Got the tires zipped back on. We'll take her for a ride. She's finally driving. She's been sitting since February. Here's the big girl. Oh, and for you, Mason, no smoke. Not even a cloud. Shocking, huh? All right, guys. Knocked out on her soon. Whip 300.